Riley said we have to pay her $1 after this.
Here, you have to get under the thing. You got it all, do you think? Okay. Alright, now, pull up the diaper up.
Hurry before you TT's.
Yeah, I'll spray it. And you want to tag this part underneath. Now get this.
Are you trying to poop again? Is this a video?
Now get the other side, Riley. Say, I'm being relaxed.
Oh my Lord.
There we go. Say, Riley, changed my diaper.
He's telling you what he thinks of you, Riley. I think he might have been laughing there.
Maybe he enjoyed it.
Maybe.
Was that fun, Rooster?
Yeah.
You want to do them all from now on?
Sure.
I'll remember that.
You really?
All right.
There we go. Let's fix your little outfits. Almost done.
Mm.
Are you going again?
No, I'm just hungry now. It's time for me to eat.
The bottom feels better though. How's that look? Alright. See, now you can throw it away, Riley. And he's a clean.
Time to eat.